I went from struggling to make 2,000 euros a month to consistently hitting over 60,000 euros, all thanks to one AI tool that took over my entire workflow. I used to spend days exhausted by scripting and editing, but now everything is automated, fast, and high quality. I'm not just going to tell you about it, I'm going to show you. Every single second of the video you're about to see, the script, the visuals, and the edit was created entirely by MiniMax-M3. Take a look at the future of content creation.
6 months ago, I was burning out. I was a content creator drowning in work. Scripts, thumbnails, edits, captions, 10 hours a day, barely sleeping, barely earning. My income? Stuck at 2,000 euros a month. I was about to quit. Seriously. Then I discovered something that changed everything. MiniMax-M3, a professional AI tool built for creators like us. It writes my scripts, generates my thumbnails, creates cinematic videos in minutes. One tool, every task. Within weeks, my productivity exploded. I went from 8 hours a day to 3, and my content, it got better. Today, I earn over 60,000 euros per month. Across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, one AI tool, infinite leverage. I work when I want, where I want. This isn't a dream. This is the new creator economy. Try MiniMax-M3 today. Link in description. Your breakthrough is one click away.
Impressive, right? What you just saw used to take me a whole week of manual labor. Now, it's done in minutes, allowing me to scale my income to levels I never thought possible. If you're still doing everything manually, you're working too hard for too little. It's time to let AI do the heavy lifting. I really want to hear your opinion on the video you just saw. Can you believe this was made entirely for free by MiniMax-M3? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to MOBICLICK for more AI secrets. See you next time.